we'll guide you through how to optimize DaVinci Resolve GPU settings to enhance your editing performance. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's up and running, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve, then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, head over to the Memory and GPU tab. Here, you'll see a section specifically for GPU configuration. Make sure the GPU processing mode is set to Auto, which allows DaVinci Resolve to automatically select the best GPU for your system. If you have multiple GPUs, ensure GPU selection mode is set to Manual, and then manually select the most powerful GPU available. This ensures that DaVinci Resolve uses the best resources for rendering and playback. Next, check the Use GPU Scopes box if it's not already checked. This can help improve the performance of your video scopes. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, make sure to enable Decode H.264/H.265 using hardware acceleration for faster decoding. After adjusting these settings, click Save to apply your changes. Now, go back to the main interface and test your timeline playback. You should notice smoother performance and faster rendering times. If you still experience issues, consider updating your GPU drivers or checking your system for any background processes that might be using up valuable resources. These settings can make a significant difference in your workflow, especially when dealing with high-resolution footage or complex edits. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.